Hello friends, welcome back to Azure 204 left for exercise 3. So in this video we are going to work on a .NET web application. Okay, so here is the lab scenario, and so far we are done with exercise 1 and exercise 2. In this video we'll work on exercise 3. Okay, so let's go to the instruction page. So here we are, exercise 3. It says open and configure a .NET web application. Okay, task 1 is to open and build the web application. So we need to start our VS Code and we need to go to here left for starter adventure works. Okay, and then select the folder in VS Code window, right click or activate the shortcut menu for the Explorer pane, select open in terminal, and then we need to build. Okay, so just follow me here. We first of all we need to go and open the VS Code. Okay, here it is. I'll close this one, and now I'll go and open folder. So I'll go to left for starter and adventure works. Okay, select. Let me just go back and verify. We need to go to left for starter adventure works. Perfect. So here we are. Now we need to run this particular command .NET build. Build command will automatically restore any missing packages prior to building all projects in the folder. Okay, so that's a very good thing. Let me just go and open a terminal here and I'll run the command .NET build. Okay, so here you can see build succeeded. There are no errors. Perfect. Let's go back to the browser. Now it says observe the result of the build. Okay, it should be completed successfully without any errors. Perfect. So we are here. So we are done with the task 1. Okay. Now task 2 is the update the SQL connection string. Okay. So we need to go back to the VS Code and expand the adventureworks.web project. In the app settings.json file, we need to go to the line 3 and we need to find this particular string, connection string dot adventureworks SQL context path, and observe the current value is blank. Okay, so I'll go back to the VS Code and we need to go to the adventureworks.web. Here we should have something called app settings.json, line 3, this one, and the value is blank. Perfect. Okay, so what is next? Next is update the value of adventure works SQL context. Okay, we need to update the value here. So here we need to paste this ADO.NET. That is the value that we copied earlier. So the value is here in my notepad. I'll simply copy this one from here and I'll go to the VS Code and I'll update the value here. Adventure works SQL context. Let me save this one. Control S. Perfect. Let's go back to the browser. What it says that it is important that you use your updated connection string here. Okay, so that's fine. Now save the app settings.json we just did. Task 3 is to update the blob base URL. Okay, so we need to go to the in the JSON object, we need to go to the line number 8. It says settings dot blob connection blob container URL. Okay, currently it is blank. Now here we need to mention the blob container URL value. Okay, that we copied earlier. Okay, so let me just copy this value, blob container image URL. This is what I need to copy. Let's go back to the VS Code. Here settings, and I need to put the value here. Control S. Okay. Now let's go back to the browser. So we are done until here. Now, task 4, validate the web application. Okay, so in the VS Code terminal, we need to go open the command prompt. Okay, and we need to change the context to webworks dot sorry adventureworks.web. Okay, and then we need to run this particular application. Okay, let's go back to the VS Code. We'll change sorry. Okay, let me just save here cd. I'll just copy this one from here, the entire command, and I'll paste it here. Okay, now we'll run this one .NET and run. We are running this particular project adventureworks.web. Okay. Okay, so now it says listing port number 5000 and 5001. Okay, so let's go back to the browser. What it says, .NET run is fine. Now we need to go and open the browser and we need to type this particular URL localhost 5000 in the web application. Okay, so let me just open this one. It should display the application actually. So now here you can see our website, right? AdventureWorks. So far we are good. Now what is next? It says that find water bottle model and click on view details. From the water bottle product details page, find add to cart. Then observe that the checkout functionality is currently disabled. Okay, so we need to first go and look for water bottle where it says water bottle. Oh man, okay. Where do we have water bottle, man? Okay, what is this? Let me just go up. I'll simply do Control F, water. Okay, it's here. Water bottle is here actually. Okay, so I'll simply click on this one. Oh yeah, view details. And then okay, so it says that add to cart is not working at the moment. Okay, so this is what is expected as of now. So yes, add to cart is disabled. Perfect. Close the browser window. Okay, return to VS Code and kill your terminal. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now next is exercise 4. So we'll continue working on exercise 4 in the next video. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.